My company is Meer Consulting. I'm a director here and I'm a structural engineer. Where I see the biggest benefits of AFS are when people consider AFS as a load-bearing wall structure. As a structural engineer, I consider AFS as a deep beam transfer structure. When you incorporate the deep beam in the wall, you're utilising the structure that's already there and present in the wall, and you're removing the transfer structures that are created in the slabs. So that's something that I can identify very quickly. It's often when I look at a project, I will see a column framed structure with large transfers in it. And there'll be party walls or partition walls that are being used out of lightweight material. I'll look at that and I'll see that AFS can be used. It can be incorporated as a transfer structure within the wall, so no extra cost. And a whole transfer structure, the major structural component of a building, is deleted. When you use it in that application as a deep beam, there's a far greater benefit to it. It can be reinforced, which other structures can, but it has many different sizes. They've got their latest 252, I think, size it is, and that allows for double reinforcement and much greater loads. It does have limitations. I'm aware of those limitations, and so we won't specify if it meets those limitations. But we're very open with our clients about that. So we will say, this project is not for AFS, but we also will say this project is for AFS. It works well. Here's the savings. Here's how you get the savings out of it. Often in this day and age, a lot of buildings are designed as column frame structures. And a builder will come to us with a column frame structure and ask if we can look at an alternative design. Often if it is what we call stacked construction and the walls line up through the building, then we will look at AFS being a alternative solution. If the AFS can line up with the columns that transfer through the basement structure, we will turn the bottom two levels of the AFS walls into a deep beam transfer, and we will achieve extremely good efficiencies in the structure and in the transfer structure, often offering huge savings to the client. So we take a wall system that is load bearing, we put additional reinforcement in it, and it provides transfer structure within a wall. So there's an efficiency there. I would never recommend a product that I didn't believe could work. It must meet all the criteria of the Building Code of Australia and the Australian standards. And we know through the years of working with AFS that their product does when it's used correctly and for the right purposes.
For further information, contact AFS today on 1300 727 237 or visit afswall.com.au.